Watch as I make these easy and fun Lollipop Halloween treats. The printable in my shop comes with 4 adorable designs. You can even type in your name on the back so they make an awesome treat to hand out at any school or Halloween party. You're going to start by cutting out your wrappers and scoring the fold lines at the bottom. Then punch a hole at the top, making sure to punch the top on both sides. Now fold it up and get ready to add your lollipop. Insert it through the back hole first, then through the front. For a little extra hold, you can use a glue dot at the base to keep everything in place. And that's it. Quick, simple. These cute lollipop wrappers are sure to make people smile. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there.